Hey everybody, we are in Elkhart, Indiana, and this is the Hilton, what is it?
Home2Suites.
Home2Suites that we're in, and I'll show like a little footage of it. So if you ever have to come to Elkhart because you need your camper worked on, or you just want to come to Elkhart to go to the museum or any of that kind of RV stuff, because it's like the heart of like RV manufacturing, we did a little room tour for you guys. We're also staying at the Elkhart Campground, and I'll do a little like walk around the Elkhart Campground, and whatever else we do while we're here. I know we're going to do an Alliance tour of the factory. I don't know if that's going to be a separate video or not, but we'll see. Oh wow, look at that. It actually looks pretty good. Hey, good morning everybody. We are in Elkhart, Indiana this week, and this is our site in Elkhart. They're mostly kind of gravel sites, and they have these kind of thin little roads to get around the campground. The interesting thing this week is there's this vintage rally here going on. You can see that they have all these vintage campers. There's like 50 of them or something like that, and they're all campers from before the 70s. I think it's like 76 or something, or 75. Like, they're all pretty old campers. Pretty cool little rally. And I sound asleep because I literally just woke up. We have both had crazy amounts of work to do, professional work, because we work from our camper. So this week, after the Mackinac week, has just been really just a work week. While we were in Elkhart, Indiana, we actually went to Alliance, and it was planned out to have our camper worked on, and so Alliance is so amazing. So anyway, first off, we have a slide, and we have 5 of them actually, but a lot of people have slides. This slide here was had a leak, and they sent a mobile tech out to seal the leak. This is like months and months and months ago. This is like back in March or something like that. Anyway, we were scheduled to come in and have them fix it up. So the bottom of the slide was separating, so they actually pulled the slide out and replaced the bottom of the slide, put it back in. This is under warranty for free. It's so cool that they will do that much work for free. And they actually found, the mobile tech found that this wasn't sealed here, and what Alliance found was not only was this not sealed, but they hadn't sealed the screws either. Some water had been coming in on the screws. So if anybody has a slide problem, I heard that this is the main seal that normally leaks, but that would be the other place to look. While we had it in, they noticed that we had some weird tire wear. We didn't even ask them about our tires, but they noticed that we had some weird tire wear. So they took it upon themselves, and they got Dexter to come out, the manufacturer of the axles actually. And what they had discovered was we had 3 cracked rims, and there's only 4 tires, so that means all the tires except for one were cracked, the rims, and they were suspect of the axles. So while we were in getting our slide worked on, we got a free set of axles, free set of wheels, a free set of tires, like the whole deal. I'm like, so cool. Like, what manufacturer out there goes that far over and beyond to make sure you're safe and just like give you like all this free stuff? And they don't do it because we have the YouTube channel. I mean, our YouTube channel is so tiny. They do that because they treat you like family. I mean, they're so nice. They did a couple other odds and end things. We noticed that when it rains a lot, our GFCI pops, and then you can't get it to push back in. And so what that was they actually took apart the cord where you plug in the camper into the outlet, I guess is what you call it, over here. They took apart the outlet, and they found it wasn't properly grounded. It was grounded, but just not really great. So they replaced the outlet, and then we sealed it up and did it all super fancy, and now we are good to go on the GFCI. So yeah, really cool Alliance stuff. And then we actually did a tour while we were there, and we went through and saw a brand new model that nobody has seen before on the internet, as far as I know, and they said we could release the footage for that too. So we'll be posting some videos on that. I don't know if you saw a glimpse of the camper behind me. You can kind of guess it's a red F450 and a Grand Design Momentum. I mean, what could that be? Yeah, that's changing lanes. Yeah, the humongous YouTuber. We just happened to be parked next to him, so cool. Yeah, so anyway, let me walk around the campground a little bit and maybe show you guys Online's tour. For amenities, this place is a little old school. The whole campground feels pretty old school. So they have these like volleyball courts here. There is this wooden framed mini golf. There's a pool, big picnic area, and a activity center. And I'm not really sure what other amenities. Oh, I think I saw cornhole somewhere around here too. But they do have a bunch of amenities. Anyway, let me just keep kind of going around, figuring out what else I can show you guys.